almost missed my flight. I had to limp my way through the airport. I edited a video in the flight, but right now I'm here at Trident and their check-in time is 2 p.m. and it is all of 8:30 a.m. and guys, I am tired. My leg is in pain. I just want to get to the room, freshen up. I want to stay positive, but I mean
2 hours later.
and we have absolutely no news of a room. Nothing. Oh my goodness. Finally, I'm in the room. I have a room. I have a room. The happiness that small little things bring, right? Immeasurable. Is that even a word? I don't know. Anyways, guys, I've got a really cute room with a nice little welcome letter and a little elephant. We've got a pool view. Well, I won't be able to jump into the pool with my knee, but at least I can look at it. Oh, it's not a pool, it's just a water body. Will do. You know we like water. I am waiting for Shreya. She's on her way, so I will meet her up and have breakfast with her. And in the meanwhile, I don't want to waste time, so I'm gonna take out my clothes and like set it all up and be ready for the day. You know, you can see all of my looks on my Instagram, but just a sneak peek. Look at that bag that I got. This is not my style, but something different. I was like, hey, why not? And here I have my makeup bag. This is everything that I bought. I think I will film a couple of get ready with me's on my Instagram stories. Wow, that's a heavy bag. Hi, hi. What are you doing here?
Two beauty bloggers in the fashion world.
Yes, guys, we have.
My beauty is not really out yet.
It's yet to blossom. We are on our way to
Geo Garden.
I was gonna say Geo World. Why was it Geo?
But it is a Geo World.
Oh, it is. See, that's why I was confused. You know, I'm always confused. We are on our way to Geo Garden.
Yeah.
It's about 1:30. I wanna say no 2.
No, it's 2:20.
No wonder. Okay, now the hunger has struck.
Yeah, that's why we were like, do you want to grab a bite?
That time I wasn't hungry. Now I'm hungry. But anyways, hopefully we'll have some tidbits there, some snacks there. But anyways, guys, really excited about what's going to be happening there.
This is the first time at Geo Garden, like for both of us. We've only been to Regis. So it's the first time that we're traveling to Fashion Week. Otherwise it was like
in the same building. Yeah. And also with my leg, I really don't know how much I have to limp and how much I have to
I'm here to support you.
She is. She really is. So I've ditched Shreya. I'm coming back to my room because I was done with my work. I filmed an Instagram tutorial using the new Lakme 3D lipsticks. Guys, I'm wearing one of them right now. I really like it. Spoiler alert. And if you'd like to see how it applied and everything, definitely check out my Instagram, guys. Now, Shreya still has a little bit more work left to do and my back was really hurting, so I thought might as well come to the room and take a little break. And both of us haven't had lunch, so I'm sure she's starving as well. Back in my room. Alrighty, guys, we have the second look for the day. Good afternoon. It's about 2:30 p.m. right now. I felt terribly sick in the morning, so I slept out most of the day. But now I need to get my ass up and get ready for the Fashion Week finale. So ordered some room service and here we go. Hi. Hi. What were you saying about the hauntedness of this place?
Fish Mills is one of Bombay's most iconic but also apparently a most haunted venue.
Wow. Well, you're with the biggest chicken of the planet right here.
So am I. I can't.
Really? I get scared even for comedy horror movies. I can't. Is that Sherry?
That is Sherry.
Look at this beauty.
Hello, hello, hello.
Oh, and what is the secret of your lipstick, Sherry?
It's Jovita.
It's not Jovita's, it's Sherry's now.
She got it for me.
Yes, and you look at that. Oh yes, girl. Yes, kill it.
Working it.
We are seated in a row. I'm
No, this is an haunted place. No, so bhoot awaz I had to give for you.
So I'm with where we started, Miss Debasree.
And we're wearing the same thing.
The exact same thing. Okay, great minds and everything. And of course, my one.
These guys didn't tell me. Like there was a meeting, they decided their clothes, and they're like, let's just keep Shreya out of it.
We didn't want her to be matching.
No, she was excluded out of our WhatsApp group.
Yeah, the sari girls.
Yeah.
Sorry, not sorry. We are in this haunted place, and so far my only strength is that we are in a group right now. So even if like a ghost comes to attack me, I will like go find someone
But
else.
I've been to Bhangar. I shoot at Bholi Bhatiyari, which are like haunted places. Bhangar is one of the most haunted places in the world. I've been there, like, where is the ghost? Like I want to click photos and see a ghost in the, like when I just play them back.
How are we friends? How are we friends, Shreya?
But it like the haunted works really well with the 3D theme we have going on here.
Oh, okay, she's getting it. There is my palm leg.
Yeah, but then now everyone is seated. I love this dress. Me too.
Ladies and gentlemen, the face of Lakme, Kareena Kapoor Khan.
Morning guys, 17th of Feb. We have officially wrapped up with the fashion week. It was so much fun yesterday. The collection was amazing. Like, yeah, hanging out with Shreya and Debasree was amazing. It was all just really superb. My flight is in the evening today, so I have a little bit time to kill. Since I've been wearing a lot of pants for the whole fashion week and nobody got to see the state of my knee, I want to show you what it looks like. Underneath the glam, these are the things that people don't really see. So here we have my knee. It's taped up for support because I have a minuscule tear and I can't really walk that well, so I need the support. So that's what it looks like underneath it all. But a prettier view is this, so let's appreciate that. Just took a shower. I'm just getting ready for the airport. It's a little difficult to pack and unpack and do all that on my own when I really can't walk. So it takes so much longer than I anticipated. Anyways, it's 2:30 and I'm supposed to be checking out at 2:30, so yeah, this is my airport look. So if you're gonna bump into me looking like this, definitely come and say hi to me. Yeah. And I'm finally home, guys. That's it for this vlog. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, definitely give it a thumbs up and I shall see you in my next one. I love you.